Starting around 15 August 2023, genuinely smooth love mixture is exchanging at $0.002 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.52% in certainly most recent 60 minutes. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, SLP basically has a complete market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, or so they thought. This by and large makes Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, kind of positioning at 315 in the cryptographic money market in a really significant manner. In the event that you especially are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the really smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2023, what will in every practical sense, smooth love elixir in every way that really matters, be especially worth in 2023? Is genuinely smooth love mixture in every way that really matters, wise venture kind of worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely enormous manner? Will SLP cost generally outperform its record-breaking high? Or so they for the most part thought. These are our essentially smooth love mixture cost expectations for SLP'(S) future, exhibiting that will SLP cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking high, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation 2023. As per the truly smooth love elixir conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The SLP cost truly is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.002, the normal especially least value worth of essentially smooth love elixir, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to in every way that really matters, be $0.002 in an unobtrusive way. Besides, SLP can for the most part arrive at a greatest value level of $0.002 really in spite of prevalent thinking. SLP value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of truly smooth love mixture sort of is determined to explicitly be at around a truly least worth of $0.002 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly smooth love mixture value worth can generally arrive at an especially limit of $0.002, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.002 in United States dollars, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. SLP value gauge September 2023, with respect to September 2023. Most certainly smooth love mixture by and large is supposed to fundamentally arrive at any rate value worth of $0.002 truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The SLP cost could in every practical sense arrive at a by and large greatest cost of $0.002, with the typical cost around $0.002, which really is very huge. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation October 2023. The cost for smooth love elixir in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, showing how SLP certainly has an exceptionally all-out market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520 in a for the most part enormous manner. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to basically be around $0.002, by and large further appearance, how smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation October 2023, the cost for kind of smooth love mixture in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, showing how SLP generally has a very complete market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, which truly is genuinely critical. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value estimate November 2023, for November 2023. The cost of especially smooth love mixture especially is essentially anticipated to generally arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0.002, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $0.002 and a genuinely least of $0.002, showing that SLP value gauge September 2023, concerning September 2023. Genuinely smooth love elixir truly is supposed to really arrive at and in every practical sense Least value worth of $0.002 in opposition to mainstream thinking. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value expectation December 2023. The cost for truly smooth love elixir in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.002 and $0.002, which explicitly is genuinely huge. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to, in every way that really matters, be around $0.002. Smooth love mixture by and large past value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been especially diminished by 1.57%. In its sort of current worth, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we by and large think about the especially current market cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap certainly is additionally down, which explicitly is very huge. Smooth love elixir explicitly is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, which in a real sense is very critical. The SLP especially is down to nearly 5.41% in the for the most part most recent 7 days, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for sort of past kind of couple of days. The coin could explicitly have major areas of strength for exceptionally yet. We don't really feel that it would a beneficial resource and kind of momentary incredibly. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP by and large diminished by 48.160%, wiping out an incredible exceptionally normal amount of $0.001 from its sort of current worth, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin especially is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a great buy and large purchase, a valuable open door for genuinely fast speculation, which shows that SLP for the most part has a by and large all-out market cap of $64,664,915, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,119,520, which especially is very critical. The 90 days cost change basically is near 47.33%. And the cost especially circled from a kind of least genuinely normal cost of $0.003 to extremely greatest genuinely normal cost of $0.003 in the truly beyond 90 days, which is genuinely critical. Smooth love mixture really is somewhere near 24.79%. With the exceptionally greatest especially normal cost of the coin certainly was around $0.002, and the very least typical cost of generally was around $0.002 in most certainly beyond 4 months, which for the most part shows that this sort of makes essentially smooth love elixir, SLP, in every practical sense, positioning at 315 in the digital currency market, which for the most part is very critical. Smooth